Solar Sports presents the main event of the evening. 12 rounds of boxing in an IBF featherweight eliminator. Promoters Murad Muhammad and Ron Rosario, in cooperation with Solar Sports, presents the IBF featherweight title eliminator. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, he came in at a trim 124 pounds with a record of 44 victories, 7 defeats, and 1 draw, with 23 victories coming by way of knockout. He has won 29 of his last 30 fights. 22 among them were Filipino victims, most of them by knockout. The former Pan Asia Boxing Association Super Bantamweight Champion, the former WBF Bantamweight Champion, the former IBF International Bantamweight Champion, the reigning IBF Pan-Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion, and now the number 6 ranked IBF featherweight contender from Ubon Ratchathani in Thailand, Fastan 3K Battery. Fastan. His opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He came in at 125 pounds. Last November 15, he annihilated the legendary Mexican Marco Antonio Barrera. On May, he bloodied and battered WBA IBF champion Juan Manuel Marquez, making him kiss the canvas 3 times. The former OPBF flyweight champion, the former WBC flyweight champion, the former WBC International Super Bantamweight champion, the former IBF Super Bantamweight champion, the Ring Magazine Featherweight Champion of the World, the People's Featherweight Champion of the World, ranked number 3 featherweight world contender by the IBF. From General Santos City in Mindanao, ladies and gentlemen, a hero of our time, the Philippines' national treasure, merciless Manny Pacquiao.
At sa wakas, magsisimula na ang matagal nating iniinay si Manny Pacquiao, tabas na tabas ang katawan at kapansin-pansin ang bagong tattoo sa kanyang kaliwang balikat. Ito yata yung batang Red Bull na tattoo.
At saka nasa patalon din yan, no? Red Bull, of course, is one of the sponsors of Manny Pacquiao sa laban na to. But
nakatatuloy. Alam mo sa Amerika ginagawa yan, nilalagay nila yung WW something sa likod, ano? But this one, they took it a step further. And now si Manny Pacquiao has that Red Bull tattoo on his left.
Third man in the ring, napakinggan natin si Ferdy Estrella. Siya po isang 53-year-old referee with 8 World Championship fights under his belt as a referee.
Ito yung tail of the tape natin. Makikita natin ang age. Lamang itong si Manny Pacquiao sa kabataan at yung height, lamang si Manny, no? Makikita nyo dyan yung distinct 2.5 inches. Dito sa reach na ito, again, ang nasukat ho dito ay pamula sa dulo ng daliri hanggang sa balikat, pero makikita nyo ang advantage. Ito, kapit mga kapatid.
Pareho silang kaliwete. So, neither will have an advantage of being a southpaw sa laban na to.
Pareho sila, yes. Pareho silang fighting out of the yung southpaw stance. Ito si Manny Pacquiao. Pati depensa ni Manny Pacquiao, nakikita natin kinito dito. Nakatago, no? Hindi niya alam kung ano itong opponent niya na ito. Again, trying to connect and trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao quickly connecting.
Mukhang all business si Manny dito, ha?
He has
Shooting
always
off his
been,
right jab. At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao just before this fight. Sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking kanan.
That's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddy Roach. Oy, Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, no? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Eto na.
And Pasong
Manny
Pirang
Pacquiao on the attack.
by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya alam kung ano sinusuntok niya.
Well, parang groggy na ito si Pasang, no? Very, very early in this fight. Manny Pacquiao has unloaded some of his bombs. Pero si Pasang kanina, nakatama din ng isang matinding suntok. Hindi nakakasigurado dito si Manny Pacquiao.
Tabi yung left na yung kanyang kanan na pinanjab niya, no? Basic na basic yan, sumasabay dun sa kanyang pag-step. And Manny Pacquiao now getting a measure of Pasong Pirang. Now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang.
Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. Very, very concentrated. Hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw in terms of his footwork. Wala siya masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na to with 1:25 to go. Eto, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Freddy Estrella caught it wisely. It's a slip. Ito pong si Pasong Pirang lost his footing. Pag-atake nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Manny now, again, trying to bounce, trying to use that right, trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with a left-right.
Mabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Pasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Pasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, kung sa iba yun, mawawarning nga si Manny dahil tinulak niya
Dalawang
pababa.
beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more.
Etong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round number 1.
Ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Pasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together.
Kinito.
At ito, tinutugbog niya si
30
Pasang.
second warning mga kaibigan sa first round natin and Pasang, hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand. Sneaked in that time. And what a round. But, yung fight plan ni Pasang, parang nakikita na natin, no? Chino, no first round, halos hindi sumuntok si Pasang. He was fighting defensively. Ang plano ni Pasang, pagurin niya si Manny Pacquiao. Yamo si Manny ang sumuntok first few rounds. And then Pasang, ang plano niya is to be able to start unloading mga 4 or 5 rounds kung tatagal yung laban.
Ito nakikita natin ang highlights itong bakbakan na ito. Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward. Sumusugod siya. Thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gustong punches ni Manny. That was the first slip ruled by coach, rather by itong si Freddy Estrella, ang ating pong referee. Working the corner of Manny Pacquiao is Freddy Roach and excellent cutman na si Lenny De Jesus.
That's right. Si Lenny De Jesus is a Puerto Rican. Nanggaling siya from New York where he operates a gym, yung Juan Laporte Boxing Gym. He's been involved in boxing for 41 years as a fighter and as a trainer. Okay, ito na. Maganda rin ang depensa ni Pasang, ha? A lot of those punches of Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Pasang. Ito si Pasang now also showing a jab.
Tanda nyo, sinabi ni nitong si Pasang, si 3K Battery, na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect, pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Pasang. Although tinatamaan siya dito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown. That is a knockdown. Definitely knockdown yun. Tinamaan si Pasang.
Sa noo tinamaan, Kinito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage. Barrage.
At nayanig po dito sa Taguig, ito po si Pasong 3K Battery, the first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might be coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yan po kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand, which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Fasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh.
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman
Sa
kung
dami
paano
ng suntok.
susuntok.
Sa dami ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sa rin depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right, leading with that right, and nailing him with that left. Yan po si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. And so far, hindi pa siya makapag-landing ng isang matinding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bumagsak si Fasan, but Fasan is still standing. He's still fighting back.
Whoa! Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Pasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Fasan.